Welcome to Fespa 2024. We are hearing from our customers and the print service providers that they are looking for solutions for automation because they are really want to print high volumes with efficiency and fewer errors in their workflow. And one solution that we developed together with Neolt Factory is this fully automated solution. And we are really proud with this collaboration. And I have the expert with me, Ettore. Could you please tell us further on about your solutions?
Yes, of course. I'm Ettore Pontigia from Neolt Factory, and we are here with the mass production solution for jumbo roll. We have here an unwinder system that can hold up to 500 kilograms, and it can automatically fit to the Colorado. This machine is equipped with an analogic dancer that allowed to move the media really smooth inside the printer. This means that you can do a lot of different kind of media, paper, wallpaper, banner, and a lot of media for the printing industry. All the machine is manufactured in Italy. We are near Milan, and this is our solution for jumbo to cut. We are here at the final process of our jumbo to cut Colorado line with our XY Plus. Our machine is fully pneumatic and comes with a compressor inside that powers all the pinch roll for the advancement and also the vertical blade that are self-sharpening and able to cut different kind of media like paper, vinyl, magnetic films and blowback. Thanks to this stacker also, the painted media will go off and automatically stuck to a table, making all the process fully automatic. And this is how we control our XY cutter with a touchscreen control. You can work in two modalities, automatic mode where you can set the distance and the number of the copy, and in mark mode where you just need to print your marks in your RIP software and easily the machine can detect it and it will be able to cut it fully automatic. Then you have also one video tutorial inside the machine that teach you how to use correctly and properly the machines. I really want to thank you, Norway and Canon, for this great opportunity with this joint cooperation together with this fantastic line that can really increase the production of our customers.
Thank you so much for the great collaboration, Ettore. We are really happy and we will see you next time in the next show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.